Hello everybody, welcome back to M.A.G, and over the past few days, I have been posting a multitude of shorts about two different songs. In this one, we'll cover one of the songs, MrSaxobeat. This one's a little bit easier than the next one, so please do watch the shorts beforehand if you want a more quicker view of it. And as we are going to begin just like in the shorts, we'll start with the one hand first, this one being the right. We'll start off with MrSaxobeat. You start on the C sharp to the G to the E flat. And you repeat this about 3 times before you go up to a G, E flat, and F. Before repeating this about 2 times before you go down to a D. Do a double E, do a double D, before you go back to starting position of where you can repeat said words. You will then just keep going. Same way as I just showed. Now, for the left hand, you can either play what I just had showed, just in the left hand, but most likely you won't want to copy and paste what you just did for the right hand. So instead, I would suggest using chords of the C minor or C, E flat, and G. I believe this is G sharp major, of G sharp, C, and E, down to a inversion, I believe, of a G, G, B, D, to a C. To put these together, you can either do the first method of what I like to call copy and paste, of repeating the same thing on both hands, somewhat like a harmony. Or you can do with right hand being the melody and left hand being a little bit of background, as I like to call it. Before you can repeat said thing once more. There's another part to MrSaxobeat, but the other small part of the chorus, which I will now explain. For the next part of MrSaxobeat, we'll again start with the right hand. It's the OOA part. Which is now a part of E flat to the C, B flat to the C, C, B flat to the C, to the B flat to the C, to the back to the E. You can switch it up by going to a G before going back to the E. While in the left hand, you will have somewhat of the same thing, like you already had. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe. It does help very much.